In this video, magda-dive in tayo sa kung paano gumawa ng full-blown membership website gamit ang WordPress at Hostinger. And para makita nyo kung paano talaga siya gumagana, gagamit ako ng real example. Magtatayo ako ng membership site para sa sarili kong online fitness coaching business. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunter. And dito sa channel na to, tinatanggal natin lahat ng distractions para matulungan kayong mag-build ng first website nyo the right way. Walang tech confusion at walang unnecessary gastos. So kung matagal mo nang iniisip mag-launch ng paid course, mag-offer ng exclusive content, or gumawa ng something na pwedeng mag-sign up yung mga tao, and gusto mo ng full control, then itong video na to ang para sa'yo. So let's get into it. Why a membership site makes sense? Okay, first off, bakit ka nga ba gagawa ng membership site in the first place? Kung nagbebenta ka ng digital product like a course, coaching program, or kahit premium blog content, malamang napatingin ka na sa platforms like Teachable or Kajabi. Okay naman sila, pero mabilis silang magmahal. Plus, nakakulong ka sa system nila. With WordPress and Hostinger, ino-own mo yung site. Mas marami kang take-home na pera at pwede mong i-customize literally lahat. Huge yan, lalo na kung balak mo pa siyang i-grow over time or gusto mong super on-brand yung feel ng website mo. So, let's walk through kung paano isa-setup lahat. Step 1. Get hosting and install WordPress. Una sa lahat, kailangan natin ng lugar kung saan i-host yung site. And for that, gagamit tayo ng Hostinger. Here's why. Hostinger is cheap, fast, at sobrang dali ng setup process nila. Hindi kailangan marami kang alam about servers, databases, or kahit ano pang technical na nakaka-stress. So go ahead and click the link down below sa description para makapag-start. Pag nandun ka na, click Start Now, and makakapili ka from a couple of plans. For most of you na nagsisimula pa lang, more than enough na yung premium website builder or business website builder. I went with the business website builder. Pero pwede mong piliin kung ano yung mas okay, kung ano yung nagme-make sense para sa'yo. Makakatipid ka ng onte sa premium website builder, pero mas marami kang makukuha sa business website builder. Once napiliin mo yung plan mo, just click Choose Plan. Tapos dadalhin ka niyan sa checkout page, kung saan pipili ka lang kung gaano katagal ka magko-commit. 1 month, 12 month, 24 months, 48 months. Now, mas matagal kang nakakommit, mas mura yung lalabas. Let's go ahead and choose the 12-month option for now. Sa coupon code area, itype mo lang My First Website, then click Apply. May kita mo agad na mas malaki pa yung nabawas. So para makagawa ng new website, punta ka lang dito sa website list and click Add New Website. Piliin mo yung WordPress and then sundin mo lang yung on-screen instructions. After nun, mapupunta ka na sa WordPress dashboard na ganito yung itsura. Step 2. Pick a theme that works with membership sites. Ngayon, kailangan natin pagandahin yung site. WordPress runs on themes and marirecommend ko yung mga clean at fast like Astra or Blocksy. Blocksy yung favorite ko. Libre pareho at meron silang mga starter templates built-in para hindi ka na mag-design from scratch. Pag na-install mo na yung isa sa mga yon, pwede ka na mag-import ng full layout. Kasama na homepage, about page, contact forms, lahat. That way, tapos na agad karamihan ng structure ng site mo. And ikaw na lang ang magtitweak ng text at images para maging on-brand. So let's go ahead and walk through kung ano yung itsura nito. Dito sa left-hand side, para palitan yung theme mo, punta ka sa Appearance, tapos click Themes. Then, click mo yung Add Theme sa taas and itatype ko Blocksy. Pag lumabas na siya, click Install. Tapos, i-click natin yung Activate and ibabalik ka na nito sa theme page. Then, click mo yung Blocksy Companion. Basically, plug-in lang siya ng WordPress na ginagamit kasama ng theme na to. And gusto ko dito is pwede kang pumunta dito sa Starter Sites. Dito, pipili ka ng starter website na pwede mong i-import. May free at may paid. So, for now, piliin muna natin yung free plans. Then, pwede kang pumunta sa categories. May blog, business, e-commerce, non-profit, portfolio, or travel. Now, what I like to do, since WordPress naman to and lahat customizable, pwede kang pumili kahit alin sa mga to. Hindi kailangan na perfect match agad kasi pwede mo naman siyang i-adjust later on. So, hanap lang ako ng isang design na gusto ko yung itsura and tingin kong magandang starting point para sa membership site natin. Medyo gusto ko tong isang to. Pag hinover mo siya, makikita mo available siya for Gutenberg and Elementor. Si Gutenberg yung built-in page builder ni WordPress. Si Elementor naman sariling page builder. At mas gusto ko siya compared sa Gutenberg. So, kung may preference ka, i-make sure mo lang na yung theme na pipiliin mo ay available sa page builder na gusto mo. So, i-click ko lang yung import dito, tapos susundan ko lang yung step wizard para makuha yung starter site. Pipiliin ko yung Elementor dito, mag-i-install siya at mag-activate ng ilang plugins para sa atin, which is fine. Gawin lang natin lahat ng prompts. Usually, seconds lang to. Okay, and mukhang successfully imported na yung starter site natin. So, let's go ahead and click View Site. Ayan, mas mukha na tong totoong website kumpara sa literal na blank page kanina. Kaya gusto ko talaga yung Blocksy theme. Lightweight, free, at may starter sites na pwede mo agad gamitin. Hindi ka na magsisimula sa nakakatakot na blank screen. Meron na siyang home, about page, at ang maganda dito, totally customizable lahat. Pwede mong i-edit ng gusto mo, text, images, layout, anything. Step 3. Install a membership plugin. Dito na nagiging legit membership platform yung site mo. Maraming good options out there pero ang ginamit ko ay Ultimate Member kasi meron siyang free version na sobrang solid for getting started. Kung kailangan mo pa ng extra features later, pwede kang mag-upgrade pero hindi required. Now, once it's installed, pwede ka nang gumawa ng iba't ibang membership levels. Mag-restrict ng access sa certain pages or posts at automatic na itago yung content hanggat wala na silang tamang membership. At automatic na itago yung content kapag wala na silang tamang membership. So para sa fat loss course ko, gumawa ako ng fat loss members level. Tapos ni-restrict ko lahat ng course lessons para only yung mga nag-sign up at nagbayad ang makakita. So let's go ahead and come over here sa plugins. Then click Add Plugin. Itatype ko Ultimate Member and then click Install Now and Activate. Pagkatapos nun may lalabas na message na Ultimate Members needs to create several pages. User profile, account, registration, login, password reset, logout, at member directory para gumana ng tama. So click lang natin Create Pages. Gagawin na niya lahat sa background for us. And ayan, nandito na tayo sa settings. Click lang natin Save Changes real quick. And while we're here, check na rin natin ng mabilis yung settings. So under settings, meron tayong general. Then, meron tayong sub-menus dito. So, sa pages, ito lang yung nagdadirect kung anong pages ang napupunta saan. So, kung pumunta ka sa pages at gusto mong i-design yung sarili mong page for any of these, whether user page, login page, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is pumunta dito and i-select siya from this little drop-down. And vice versa. Kung gusto mong i-edit yung page na to, hanapin mo lang yung specific page and ID niya under pages. Now, we have some settings under users na pwede mong puntahan and make any changes if needed. Under account, andito yung different settings for the account na pwede mong i-adjust. And we have some stuff here for uploads. Next, we have access. So this is a global site access. Pwede mo itong palitan into site is accessible for everyone or site is accessible to logged in users. That's global. So we want the site available to everyone. Ang gusto lang natin is certain parts ng site ay only available to certain people. Step 4, build out your course content. So ngayon, kailangan na natin ng something na makikita ng mga tao pag nag-login sila. Nag-create ako ng new page for each module ng course ko. For example, may bagong page for welcome and orientation, nutrition basics, workout plans, recovery and mindset, and bonus tools. Sa bawat page, nag-embed ako ng video hosted on YouTube as unlisted. Naglagay ng bullet points summarizing the key takeaways at nag-link ng PDF download below the video. Dito rin nagsashine si Ultimate Member. I-check mo lang yung box sa bottom ng bawat page na nagsasabing only show to fat loss members and done. Lockdown na siya. Pwede mo ring i-organize lahat to with categories or with a menu sidebar kung gusto mong mas magmukhang course portal. So inside of that post, which is kung saan mapupunta yung content mo, doon mo pwedeng i-restrict yung post. So i-check ko lang yung box na yon, who can access this post, then ilalagay natin logged in users. Pipiliin natin na subscribers lang ang pwedeng pumasok doon. And yeah, kaya sobrang cool ng Ultimate Member plugin. Step 5, set up payments and registration. Next up is kung paano ka actually makakasingil. So within the plugin settings, pwede mong i-connect yung Stripe or PayPal account mo. Kino-connect ko yung Stripe since it supports credit cards directly and works well with memberships. Then gumawa lang ako ng simple checkout page. May brief description lang ng makukuha nila. And isang Join Now button. Kapag may nag-sign up, pipili sila ng plan. Magbabayad through Stripe at automatic silang makakakuha ng login info nila. Step 6. Test everything before launch. Important to. Before mo sabihin sa kahit sino about your site, i-run through mo muna buong process as if bagong customer ka. Ibig sabihin, mag-sign up ka gamit ang fake email and fake credit card. Pwede mong gamitin yung Stripe test mode para hindi ka talaga magbayad. Then log in. Check mo kung gumagana yung restricted pages. Make sure na tama yung lumalabas na downloads and videos. And i-confirm na nakukuha mo yung welcome emails. Nakahanap ako ng ilang maliit na issues like broken link and weird redirect. Pero madali lang silang ayusin. Ang goal mo is siguraduhin na clean yung experience bago mag-start magbigay ng pera yung mga tao. Step 7. Bonus tips for a better member experience. Pag okay na yung basics, ito yung ilang ideas para mas maging polished yung site mo. 1. A start here page. This gives people a clear next step pag join nila. Isang friendly welcome lang, maybe a short video, and links to the first lesson. Use email automation. Mag-send ka ng welcome email after sign up with their login info at reminder kung ano yung i-expect nila. Tools like MailerLite or MailPoet for WordPress works well for this. Step 3. Add a progress tracker, optional. Now, kung gusto mo talagang magpa-fancy, pwede kang mag-add ng checklist plugin para makapag-mark ng complete yung members sa bawat lesson. Hindi siya required pero nice touch siya para sa course-style sites. 4. Keep it simple at first. As in, wag mo masyadong i-overthink yung design or features. I-live mo muna yung content, siguraduhin mo na gumagana yung payments, and start helping people. Pwede mo naman laging i-improve later. So that's how you build a membership site and how I did it for my fat loss course using WordPress and Hostinger. Hindi mo kailangan maging developer. Hindi mo kailangan i-overcomplicate. With Hostinger as your host, a solid free theme, and a plugin like Ultimate Member, you can launch a course or coaching program na professional ang feel and actually brings in money. So kung inisip mo na mag-start ng something like this, gumawa ka lang ng isang page. Gawa ka ng isang lesson. Huwag ka munang mag-worry about making it perfect. Kasi once na makita mong may first person na nag-sign up at nag-go through yung content mo, dun nagiging totoo yung buong thing. Now, kung gusto mong mag-start with Hostinger, meron tayong link down sa description below. This is an affiliate link, which means nakakakuha kami ng small commissions kapag ginamit mo yan at no extra cost sa'yo. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to keep creating free content just like this. So if you end up using it, thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para hindi ka makamiss ng next video. Here on this channel, gumagawa kami ng videos on how to create websites, nag-explore ng website builders, and we discuss domain names. So be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.